Well done, congratulations Zian for passing a first time. Well done, excellent. So we done this pass promise package and you ready in 32 hours.
Yeah.
You take a help from the course online as well. And same time your examiner drive you on the same test route which we practice.
Yeah.
Well done, and examiner said that you pass first time. Well done driving.
Thank you.
Excellent. All pleasure is mine. All praise is mine, Zian. I'm so happy. Feel like that it's me pass. It's me who basically passed.
Yeah.
Well done, Zian. I'm so happy. Proud of you, girl.
Thank you.
Are you looking to pass UK driving test at your first attempt? In this video, you will discover what I believe to be the simplest and most robust A to Z guide to pass the UK driving test with just an afternoon worth of preparation. Hey, I am Mo. Since 2003, thousands of students have trusted my online training course of car theory and driving in order to practically guarantee their success. And if you want a distinctive advantage, I want to pull back the curtains and give you the secret now. In the driving course, 40 easy to understand videos. Each video explains main points, recap before each driving lesson, examiner's direction and instruction, highway code rules, driving test report and mock test to keep you in control. In the theory course, 750 official driving vehicle standard agency approved question bank, hazard perception test guide, new short video Q&A. The current pass rate for the test is below 50%. Most people coming unprepared. So much misinformation out there. Hard to know what really works and what doesn't. There is missing a step-by-step guide showing them all the obstacles in the road and how to get around them. They need a full map to reach their goal. Do not operate blindly. Now, what I have shown you is just a snapshot of the strategies and tools you will need to pass the car driving test on your first attempt. You can click the link below this video and taking to a page where you can gain access to my complete A to Z UK car driving test guide. And remember, the current pass rate for the car theory is 48% and driving is 39%. The odds right now are not in your favor. People do not know where to get the right knowledge from, and it leads them wasting time and money, constantly retaking the test. But right now, you can gain all the answers. So why wait any longer? Take the action now and get started.